An update now as Maine is facing a critical shortage of public defenders violating the Constitution. Now there's a new effort and a new law to try to change that. Fox 23's Julia Simone joining us at the live desk now with the impact that this law could have. Julia.
Yeah, Greg, LD 1101 will allocate $3.5 million to the public defense system. The funding will pay for 8 new positions, including 5 new public defenders, to help reduce the state's shortage of attorneys for individuals facing criminal charges. This came after a Kennebec County judge ruled if the state failed to provide a lawyer to a criminal suspect within 14 days of their first court appearance, they must be released from jail. The law also allows judges to appoint private attorneys for cases, even if they don't have all of the standard qualifications. Tina Nato, the executive director of the Maine Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers, says, while this bill is a step in the right direction, the qualifications for attorneys should not be changed in the process.
We need more funding. We need more support. We certainly do not need to be cutting against any of the qualifications or standards in place that are there to ensure that people are receiving constitutionally qualified counsel. We are in a crisis situation.
It's good that they got new
Robert
positions.
Ruffner, the director of the Maine Indigenous Defense Center, says these new experienced positions could improve the system.
I really think it depends on who they are and how they're deployed or how they're used by the commission. I think that it's a good thing that these are all experienced 5 years plus positions.
The Kennebec County judge also determined charges must be dismissed for anyone jailed more than 60 days without a public defender. Megan Maloney, the county's district attorney, says this new law will help everyone in the system.
It enables Kennebec and Somerset counties to run smoothly. It enables us to have everyone represented, and it enables my office to feel confident that people are getting great representation.
Governor Mills neither signed nor vetoed the bill, allowing it to become a law after 10 days. She says the public defense system needs reforms before receiving more funding and was disappointed the bill didn't require those changes. But she says she remains willing to work with the legislature on further solutions. The law officially took effect on Wednesday. At the live desk, Julia Simone, Fox 23 News at 10. Greg?
All right, Julia, we'll see if this has an impact.